Alright guys, before we get into video, I just wanted to say thank you for everybody who suggested where I can get a new motor, what motor would be an awesome one to put on this trike. I just want to say thank you guys for your input and your help, but as you'll see in the later video, this motor is perfectly healthy. Now there were some interesting motor suggestions like a Predator 212 that I will want to try out in some later videos, so keep an eye out for those, but for the time being, the Honda 13 horsepower is going to be up and running. I don't know for how much longer, but hopefully long enough to get some sick edits in the next video. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. Thank you for your suggestions once again. I won't waste any more of your time. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, it is the next morning. Me and my dad have already been up here. We just got done working out, but we're gonna see what happened with the Drift Trike. Last time we seized the motor, so we're gonna see what it looks like today. So I put oil in it, put oil down the cylinder. So I'm gonna pull the plug and then see what we're looking at here. Not excited about this. So we're gonna pull the plug and then see how freely everything moves. Alright. So there's definitely oil inside of it now. Alright, so we're moving pretty freely. Just blast all that oil out of the cylinder that's left. Alright guys, so I was just trying to see if there was a possibility that I skipped timing, but top dead center is in fact top dead center, so timing is still good. I just wanted to cross that off as a possibility. Unfortunately, my next best option is to remove the head, which I really don't want to do, but might be the only option. My dad has a borescope camera, which I'm gonna try and use, but we're having a hard time finding it. But if I find it, I'll make sure to take a screen recording on my phone and put it in this video. That way you guys can see what is up. But I can kind of see down into the spark plug hole, and it looks gummy, but that's because I poured oil down. So I don't know what is to come of this motor. Possibly a rebuild, but I'm hoping that it's just something simple. But the more I tear into this, the more I think I'm gonna go ahead and need to spend that $100 to rebuild it. So I'll update you guys in a few minutes here. Alright guys, so can't find the camera that can go in there, so I'm just gonna bite the bullet and pull the entire head off, and then that way we can get a good look in there and see what's going on. Alright, so this is your first look as well as mine. There's a couple of score marks at the top there. I don't know if you can see, kind of. And then everywhere else looks pretty good. You can see where the piston hits the top there. But the cylinder walls don't look bad. There is a light scratching at the top, but I don't know. Alright guys, so the GoPro was being buggy earlier, so it's the afternoon and I'm mostly done school for the day. But trike is back together. I had the cylinder head off, put a new head gasket in, and she's working fine now. I got all the excess oil out of the cylinder. There was enough to cover the cylinder at that, or the piston at this angle, so there was definitely a lot in there. Now, I put everything back on. I had it run for a minute. It's a thumper, first of all. Like, the whole front end's bouncing, but then again, I can literally move it just by pushing down the exhaust. But she runs, and I haven't test driven it yet. I am going to probably on Thanksgiving, but did not blow the motor. Thankfully, she runs. We're gonna see if she drives here shortly, but project number 2 is basically finished. We just have a little bit of welding to do, but I wanted to give you guys that update that the Drift Trike is back in business. We don't have to worry about rebuilding the motor. She is all set and ready to go. Just gotta put the seat on and get this all welded up, because it's just a couple of tacks and that's not gonna hold at the estimated speed of about 40 miles per hour top speed. But we are gonna be drifting with this, so it probably will never see 40. Maybe. But Thursday, we're going to be strapping the GoPro to some helmets. We're going to be testing out Drift Trike, and then we're also going to be testing out the Yerf Dog and see if the steering issue and the cracked subframe are good. But that's going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know I didn't film a lot. I'm sorry the GoPro was acting buggy because it's cold and the batteries are just not happy right now. But thank you guys for sticking around, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with a friend. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.